How's it going, everybody? This is John Campos with Remax and
Trevor from State Farm.
We just wanted to cover a couple of things that are really important. It's probably the most overlooked issue when buying a home, but in my opinion, it's probably the most important. It's going to be your homeowner's insurance, and we have a couple of questions that Trevor gets all the time that I thought would be really valuable for you guys to learn, hear about, and understand. In particular, we're looking at Natomas. So Trevor, what are some of the most commonly asked questions that you come across for real estate in Natomas?
One of the most common things is probably flood insurance. So people in Natomas, you have to have it. Flood's the same price everywhere. So if you're paid more than $450, give me a call, we can look at it. But it's about $450 a year and covers your dwelling if anything happens from flooding.
Okay, awesome. What was something else you're talking about? Just the homeowners insurance policies in general. Like, why would someone find value in that? What's important about shopping? I mean, most people just go with the first one they get. What would your recommendation be for that?
You know, homeowners insurance is really important for you guys because it protects your biggest purchase or asset, your home. And I found that most people don't know what it is that they're buying. So just understanding the coverage is really important. The second most important thing is knowing that what is and is not covered. You know, a lot of people, like with the Orville Dam situation, if they didn't have flood, they wouldn't be covered. So the biggest thing is to understand what is and is not covered. An agent can do a great job for you, whether it's me or another agent you find. You know, I encourage you guys to talk about it. And then know that our rates just went down 7%. State Farm has always been really competitive. We just went down 7%. So with that, I found that our rates are one of the best and our coverage is one of the best. So give me a call if you have any questions, but you talk to this man, he can connect you with me.
Fantastic. And then lastly, I'm a property owner. I have a rental property, and I just discovered that Trevor here is going to save me some good money on my rental insurance policy. And he was describing to me how I was overpaying, why I was overpaying. I just thought it was really valuable. That's the kind of information that I want as a property owner to know, to understand. I mean, do you have any more information on the rental properties?
Now, I want to keep it simple for you guys. So on rental dwellings, our rates just went down 40%. But just understanding what's covered. You know, I explained to John that if something happened to his property, you know, he has income from that property. So making sure that the policy covers things like that. So we get copies of the leases when we do our insurance. But those are things you should talk to an agent about. I encourage you, much like you would use a realtor like John for all your questions for homes, I encourage you to do the same for insurance because it costs you nothing. You know, find a great company and a great agent, and I'm here for you guys if you need anything.
Fantastic, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Trevor, what's your phone number?
916-392-1240, and John will post my information on his website.
Fantastic. And my number is 916-833-7637. I'm happy to answer any questions you guys have. I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. Bye, guys.